Hello everyone, my name is Desak Dharmayanti with three last digit of student number 202. I'm sorry, 020. Now I will explain to you guys about my project in mobile programming. So the project that I want to make is a skincare routine notes application. So the name is SkinDeal. It is the combination of skin and ideal in hope that it can help the user to get their ideal skin condition. So I make this application to help people knowing their skin type, knowing what to do for that skin type, and what product is good for them, and also creating a routine guide that will help them to get the ideal skin condition. And then um, here they will also can see the products that goods for them and see whether they like it or not, and they can keep track of what product they like or not, and also they can add review of the product. So for the development, for the user flow, first the user have to sign up or log in to the account. First time user will have to answer some question as quiz to determine their skin type. And then the old user can change their skin type by retaking the quiz. And then after knowing the skin type, it will be shown on the homepage and with the things that they need to do for that kind of skin type. And then um, the homepage will also show their progress of the routine, and if possible, there will be a recommendation for products that is suitable. And then user can love and also dislike product and keep track of the list. And then they can see the catalog of the product where they can see users review and also add their own review. They can also create a routine and see their progress. And that is all the outline or baseline of the product that is hopefully can be developed through the process. And then for the dependencies. Here is the dependency, some dependencies that is used. First is HTTP. It is used as for the API practice. So we can fetch data from the API that is given, and then SQLite for the database connection, and then path. Uh, so the path is for manipulating the paths, and then path provider for finding the commonly used location of file system. And then the last one is Flutter slidable. It is for making the slidable widgets in the CRUD page. So that is some dependencies that I use. And then for the development steps. While making this, so far, I made the home screen first. So I made this screen first, and then I used the tab bar view for the home screen, review list, and catalog screen to implement the practice of tab bar view. And then I added a method for like and dislike here in the view. Can save it, and then in the catalog, is the implementation of routing for the pages. And then after that, I added the drawer to save the API to store the API and also the CRUD page. So here is it. And then I made then I input the API that is made before, the API fetching data before, and then also I made the CRUD page. So for the result of the implementation so far, the first page that will shown when we run the program is the home screen. This step view, the first one is the home screen. Here we have the skin type of the user and also the to-do list for that skin type. but I haven't made the progress widget here, and also for the product recommendation, because for the algorithm I haven't figured it out yet. And then also I haven't made the login or sign up page, since I'm focused on the inside of the program first. Also, I haven't made the quiz yet because I'm thinking about how to generate the skin type from the quiz. Next is the review screen. Here, user can keep track of what product that they like and dislike. They can also like and dislike a product here. So that is the review page. And then the third tab or view is catalog screen. Here I implement the routine implementation. So there is a catalog of skin products. So when I click it, um there will be a list of a product in that category. So uh, actually, this product will be can click. I plan to make a page with the detail of the product that is clicked, and then the list of reviews from users, and also the user can add their own review in the product. They can also search for the product, but I haven't made the search bar yet. And then in the drawer, there is, oh, and also all of this can be clicked. So I have four or more screen for the thing. And then for the drawer, first there is the assignment 7 API for fetching the data news from the API that is given. This is the fetching data news, but I think the data is like this because some people use this API as their crude dat database or something. So they change the um the list of the data here. But this is the fetching data news, and then go back, and then this is the crude page. So actually the given crude is books, um but I customize it as I want, so it is suitable for the program. So we can add the product name and the detail. Then we can save it, and then the data will be shown here. And then we can also edit the data. As we can see, the data is updated, and we can also delete the data. So that is the code, uh, which we can and input, edit, and delete, and see the data from the database. Here I use SQL, right? Sorry. And then for the code, I already implement basic layout. Here in the profile, I use column, and then inside of it, I use row. Inside the widget, I use row, and then for the layout anatomy, uh, here I use save area, and then I also use scaffold, the application app bar, and also the tab bar view. And then for the pages, I already have 4 or more page for the thing. As you can see here, this is also the implementation of the thing, the code, and also the assignment API. So you can go to the page. And then for the plugin, I use stack in the catalog screen. Actually, I made it as a widget here. As you can see, I use stack here to make the image as the background and also add some gradients in front of the image. And then for this development, I use some sources from YouTube for tutorial in making the layout, but I also customize it uh, re, re following to what I want and uh, what the program needs, and also I see the example that is given from the UI kit in GitHub. So that is all from me. I'm really sorry if there's any mistake. Um, Thank you. This application will be developed more as time passes by, and I hope I can get the result that I want in the end. So that's all from me. Thank you, and